Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the refinance calculator on the realestate.com property application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the profile icon down below on the right side corner, tap on My Finances, which is the second option. Here you should scroll down to the calculators section, slide to the left side, tap on Refinance. Scroll down and here you should type in the estimated property value, outstanding loan amount, the monthly repayments, the current interest rate, and click on the calculate button down below. Here you have the estimated equity you have paid off and the percentage of your property and your loan to value ratio percentage. Here you have your refinancing options. Here you have them. If you want to, you can get help refinancing and view rates from this percentage. Here you can choose from a range of lenders, and then you can request a call back as well by adding your name and phone number. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.